Well, hello there, folks. Rusty here, Gene and Ash.
And welcome back to Bigfoot Bushcraft.
We're calling it Fire-Kissed Fowl. Sounds fancier. The secret, as always, is in the sauce. Speaking of secrets, why don't skeletons ever go trick-or-treating?
Oh no, here we go.
Because they have no body to go with. Get it?
That's terrible. You know why that joke is so bad? It's not very humorous.
All right. You win this round.
All right, our beautiful, saucy bouquet of chicken is ready for the next step.
We're going to hang them up. This method lets the heat circulate all around them. Perfect cooking.
Behold, the mighty chicken tree.
Its fruit is delicious and probably gives you salmonella if you eat it raw. Don't worry, we're cooking it.
Vegetables at the bottom to catch all those delicious drippings.
And now, for the high-tech part of our operation. The Convection Chamber 5000.
And now we wait. The hardest part.
My stomach is already complaining. It's telling me jokes. What do you call cheese that isn't yours?
I think it's ready. The fire has done its work. Nacho cheese.
Ha! Oh yeah, look at that. Perfection. Absolute delicious perfection.
Let's get this plated up before we eat the whole thing right here.
I call this one, look at that crispy skin.
Oh, that is incredible. So juicy.
That's the test of a good cook. See that? Falls right off the bone. Smoky, sweet. And don't forget the veggies. They've been bathing in chicken juice for the last hour. Doesn't get any better than this. Good food, good company.
Couldn't agree more.
Well, folks, that's all that's left. I think this was a success.
A delicious success.
Thanks for joining us on Bigfoot Bushcraft. Remember to be kind and eat well.